This HTML document creates a festive, animated winter scene featuring Santa Claus and his chariot, snowflakes, snow stars, falling leaves, and a colorful animated fire effect using a combination of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The head section sets basic page metadata, including UTF-8 encoding and viewport settings, and contains a style block that defines the layout, animations, and visual effects. The body uses a radial gradient background and flexbox to center content, while .leaf and .snowstar classes handle the falling leaves and twinkling stars with CSS animations like fall and sway to move elements downwards and side to side, creating natural motion. Santa Claus is represented by an image with the ID object that moves horizontally across the screen via the MoveRight CSS keyframe animation. The canvas element with the ID fire is used to draw animated multicolored flame particles, generated through JavaScript by defining a flame class that randomly positions each flame, assigns a radius, speed, color, and lifespan, and uses a radial gradient for realistic glowing effects, with continuous animation handled by request animation frame. A complex snowstorm JavaScript object is included to simulate dense, interactive snowfall, allowing flakes to follow the mouse, melt, twinkle, or stick to the bottom, with configurable properties like maximum flakes, velocity, color, and snow character, while handling browser resizing and scrolling to ensure snow coverage across the viewport or a specific target element. Additionally, separate scripts create decorative snow stars and falling leaves dynamically. The snow stars are small, white, glowing symbols that fall and sway with random sizes, positions, durations, and delays, continuously recycling themselves to maintain the effect, while leaves are randomly sized, positioned, and animated using multiple image URLs, with JavaScript intervals repeatedly generating new leaves at regular intervals to create a continuous falling. The code also includes responsive handling, ensuring the canvas and animations adapt to window resizing, and combines multiple layers of visual effects: falling snowflakes, twinkling stars, drifting autumn leaves, Santa's movement, and colorful fire particles to produce a rich, immersive seasonal animation entirely within the browser. A complex snowstorm object creates dense, interactive snow. Flakes have randomized velocities, sizes, melting effects, twinkling, and stickiness at the bottom, and respond to mouse movement and scrolling, with timers and event listeners managing animation loops and viewport resizing. Separate scripts dynamically generate twinkling snow stars and multiple types of falling leaves using arrays of images, random sizes, positions, durations, and delays, continuously removing and recreating elements to maintain realism. The combined effect layers multiple visual elements: falling snow, drifting leaves, glowing stars, moving Santa, and colorful flames, while handling responsiveness and interactivity, producing a rich, immersive, animated winter holiday scene entirely in browser. Thanks for watching. I hope you will support my channel.